The water's boiling. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The Thunderbirds are with the spider. Oh, they're in the air too. Oh my gosh. Can you go to, on your phone, please? And go to Hope, New Jersey. Look at them. Look at them. It's kind of warm. Any Thunderbirds on the house? It's the second one from the bottom.
Just the one bird?
No, I got 5.
5?
4 or 5 birds. Oh, he's flying.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and he looks like that Velcro looking stuff. Look at Fatty. Looked like he had a big meal.
Look at sexy legs.
Now we got all the birds. So we got 1, 2, 3 there. And then there's 1, 2 flying. And see how he's ribbed? See?
Mm-hmm.
I wish I can record it. And look at, he goes up on the edge. Look at how big he is. If that's a house, if that's a pole,
Dude,
that you reference him because the house is where he is. So there's no description on.
he's like half as tall, 3/4 of as tall as the house.
Like if the house was behind him, it would throw your eye off. If the house was in front of him, you couldn't say. Shut that door, please. I'm sweating.
You're not sweating from outside. You're sweating.
Okay. Well, the reverse. See if these guys got any dance moves. There's a whole family of them.